Good morning, good morning, good morning, my students, 10th grade students. You know, I'm so mad at all of you because you are not so cooperating with me. So I hope after this video I will see you participating in a good way because I want you to be as I have known all of you. So please be attention with me because since now and on I won't give you any other chances. بتمنى منكم طلاب الصف العاشر تعرفوا انه انا كتير زعلانة منكم لانه انتوا الكم فترة مش عم بتتابعوا بطريقة صح. لازم تعرفوا بعد هلأ ما رح اعطيكم اي فرص، الواجب يوصل بموعده المحدد والا رح يتم إجراء أو اتخاذ إجراء آخر. طيب, now we are going to answer page 13. We are going to answer page 13, question number 4 and the question number 5, number 6. Then we are going to start with reading, writing and speaking, okay? And speaking. And inshallah in the next days we will explain more and more from our subject that we are taking, which is action back. You know, it's English action back, so we are going to explain more and more subjects from it. So please pay attention with me. In this lesson we are going to answer question number 4. Then we are going, or before answering number 5 and 6, we are going to explain the rule of these two questions. يعني رح نشرح القاعدة لهذه السؤالين ونجاوب على أسئلة rainforest or the tropical forests. In a previous lesson, we talked about a tropical forest, okay, which we call it also rainforest, and we explained exactly what kind of things you can find there, what kind of animals, plants, or what kind of habitat we are talking about. حكينا شو الحيوانات والأشياء اللي بنشوفها هون وشو الموطن اللي ممكن تلاقيه بهداك المكان, and where does the rainforest or where do the rainforests exactly situated, يعني وين بالضبط بتكون موجودة. اوكي, وين بتكون بالضبط موجودة. Sorry, I messed up. I mean, where is exactly the rainforest situated, or where are exactly the rainforest situated? I messed up for the first question, but it's okay, no problem. I just corrected directly. So please now pay attention with me because I'm going to answer question number 4. Then I will start explaining what our structure for today. Okay. Now we are going to answer comprehension questions, which is about the rainforest. Okay, so please, most of you sent me their answers. Some of you or some answers were correct. Other answers, we can say that wasn't correct for that homework that I gave to you. But I won't make an explanation for these for that questions. ما رح أشرح لكم الأسئلة هديك. I will send you directly the correct answers. But what we are going to discuss today is the question that we have about the rainforest or the tropical forest on page 13 اللي رح نشرحه اليوم, اللي هو السؤال الموجود عندنا بصفحة 13. Then we are going to explain the structure, which is connected to what? Connected to question number 5 and number 6. So please read and listen to the article again. So we need to listen and read to the article again, then answer the questions. For this, please open your student's book on page 12 and 13. Put the book in front of you, then pay attention with me. In question number 1, the writer asked us to choose another suitable title for the text. Then we need to justify our choice. يعني بدك تختار another title and justify your choice. Suitable, مناسب, okay? Justify بمعنى علل أو وضح الإجابة. Your choice اللي هو اختيارك. Why did you choose this title? Why did you choose this title? ليه اخترت هذا التايتل إنك تحطه بدل التايتل الموجود عنا اللي هو a hidden word. A hidden word, okay? So the title is a hidden word. For me, I didn't choose any other title. You may choose another title, but for me, I have found this title is very suitable because the whole article talks about a hidden rainforest which is difficult to be reached. بالنسبة لي أنا, this question is a question that you should answer it by using your own words. بالنسبة لهذا الكويستشن, هذا السؤال لازم انت تجاوب باستخدام ايش كلماتك انت. So بالنسبة لإلي I choose this, for me I will choose this title, which is the hidden word, because the whole article talks about it, or about a hidden rainforest which is difficult to be reached. Now move to question number 2. What do the pronouns in bold refer? If you have noticed in the article, we have some pronouns which are in bold, يعني بالخط العريض. The first pronoun that we have, it, in line 9. Then we have they in line 19, 18, 16. Then we have another one in line 26. So let's see, what do the pronouns in bold refer to? First, it in line 9, يعني البروناون الموجود بسطر 9. It refers to the new rainforest, بيعود على the new rainforest. And if you go to the article, you will find that sentence, it has always been very difficult to reach. Which is that, or what is that place which was or has always been difficult to reach? شو هو هذا المكان؟ احنا حكينا اللي هي a new rainforest. If you have noticed in the 2 lines or the first 3 lines, the article talks about the discovery of the scientist, which is a new rainforest, the new rainforest. And for they in line 16, an international team of scientists. If you have noticed, we have they in line 16, but before we have in 2009 an international team of scientists visited Mount Poziev and discovered an amazing world of plants and animals there. They بتعود على مين؟ عليهم هم an international team of scientists. They in line 26, it refers to loggers اللي هم اللي بياخدوا الأخشاب وبيقطعوها وبيبيعوها تجار الخشب وإلى آخره. Move now please to number 3. What makes a rainforest special and different from other forests? Explain. Now, this question can be answered by different ways. يعني أنا بقدر أجاوب بعدة طرق. It depends in your own words, يعني بيعتمد على كلماتك انت. But I will give you my answer for these questions. You can choose another answer. For me, what makes rainforest special and different from other forests is that a rainforest grows near the equator, which makes it the perfect habitat for the different and rare species of plants and animals. Isn't for me, a rainforest grows near the equator. احنا حكينا انه هو ايش؟ خط الاستواء. And we all know that all places which is near to that place, which is near in that point in the earth, it is suitable for, or it is a perfect habitat for the different and rare species. Different اللي هي مختلف. Okay, but we need to learn this word. What does the word rare mean? Rare معناها نادر جدا، يعني نادر جدا. Rare species يعني أنواع نادرة جدا. Species اللي هي أنواع. So we can find rare species of plants and animals. يعني بنقدر نلاقي أنواع مختلفة من plants and animals. Now let's move to question number 4. How will the discoveries that the scientists made help protect the forest? Now here the question is asking for one thing, that discoveries, الاكتشافات that the scientists made اللي قاموا فيها العلماء help protect the rainforest. كيف بدها تساعد in helping protecting rainforest؟ كيف بتساعد بإنه هي تحمي الغابات المطرية؟ كيف بدها تساعدني إنه تحميها while we all know that logging and loggers destroyed lots of rainforest. طبعا نعرف إحنا كلنا إنه غابات كتيرة من الغابات المطرية أو الاستوائية تم تدميرها بقطع الأخشاب اللي فيها. If you cut these trees, you are going to take a habitat from many species. إذا إحنا قطعنا هاي الأشجار رح ناخد موطن أعداد هائلة من السبيتشز، وهذا رح يأثر على إيش؟ رح يأثر على الكرة الأرضية. And you know all this about science, you know it very well, and I guess that all of you have taken it before in science subjects and these things. So let's see the answer for this question. Okay, the scientists discovered the rainforest first, which will make it easier for them to protect it from loggers. الإشي اللي بيساعد أو الديسكفرز، هاي الديسكفرز الاكتشافات أو الاكتشاف هذا اللي بده يساعد إنه الساينتست العلماء discovered this rainforest first، إنه هم اللي اكتشفوا هاي الغابة أولا، which will help in protect these rainforest from loggers، اللي رح يساعدنا إنه إحنا نحمي هاي الغابات، يساعد العلماء إنهم يحموا هاي الغابات because it will be related to an organization. رح تكون عائدة لorganization which is dealt with which deals with protecting environment, protecting nature and these things, because we know that we have many organizations، لأنه إحنا عنا كتير منظمات تختص بحماية الطبيعة، حماية الحيوان، حماية البيئة المحيطة فيك. So this is good for this rainforest، يعني هذا الإشي كويس للrainforest because it will make it easier، رح يكون من الأسهل عليهم إنهم protected from loggers، يحموها من اللي هم تجار الأخشاب أو اللي هم بنعتبرهم الحطابين كمان، ولكن هم بمعنى تجار الأخشاب اللي هم اللي بيقطعوا الأشجار. Number 5. Do you think rainforests are important and should be preserved? Why not? What do we mean by the word preserved first? Should be preserved يعني يجب أن تحفظ أو تحمى، يحافظ عليها. So do you think this is a question for you, but I can give you a suggestion answer. بقدر أعطيكوا اقتراح أو إجابة مقترحة. Do you think rainforests are important? هل rainforests important and should be preserved؟ لازم يتم حمايتها. If it's yes, you need to tell me why. If it's no, you need to tell me why not. يعني إذا إجابتك yes بدك تحكي لي ليش طيب، وإذا إجابتك no بدك تحكي لي why not. For me, I find it yes because rainforests are important and should be preserved. أول شيء عنا هون لازم نعرف إنه rainforest important and should be preserved because they provide a home to many plants and animals. أول نقطة لازم نعرفها إنه هاي rainforests provide. What do you mean by provide؟ بمعنى تزود هون يعني بتأمن ملجأ ومنزل لمين؟ many plants and animals، لعدد كبير من النباتات والحيوانات. and the trees in them، والأشجار الموجودة فيهم، والذم بتعود على إيش؟ على rainforest. provide a clean environment اللي هي بيئة إيش تكون؟ بيئة نظيفة. إذن rainforests very important to be preserved، لازم هي مهمة جدا حتى يتم حفظها. first because they provide home، هي ملجأ لكثير من إيش؟ many plants and animals، لكثير أنواع من النباتات والحيوانات. and we said also that in rainforests we can find rare animals and plants، بنقدر نلاقي أنواع يعني نادرة جدا في هاي الأماكن. even insects، الحشرات، you can find rare insects in the rainforest. so it's home not only for animals, not only for birds, not only for plants, but it is also a home for different kinds of insects لأنواع متعددة من الحشرات. The second one, the trees in these rainforests, هاي الأشجار الموجودة بالrainforests provide حكينا مرة تانية معناها تزود a clean environment، تعطينا إيش clean environment، بيئة نظيفة. Okay. Last question or last branch in question number 4, because in number 4 we have 6 branches. Okay, so the last branch is in your opinion. لما بسألك أنا in your opinion يعني من وجهة نظرك أو من وجهة نظرك أنت، من فكرك أنت، من طريقتك أنت، فكر أنت inside your mind. How can we contribute to the protection of rainforest? What do you mean by contribute? contribute بمعنى يساهم، ولكن هون معناها لما بدي أترجمها بتيجي كيف يمكن أن نساهم بإيش؟ to the protection، في حماية rainforests. كيف ممكن إحنا نساهم بحماية rainforest هاي؟ I will give you my answer. First, we can protect rainforests by encouraging our classmates not to damage the environment. Number one is I need to encourage my classmates, the people around me, the people who are surrounding me. أنا بحاجة إنه أنا أشجع الناس اللي حوالي، أشجع الناس اللي بيكونوا قريبين لإلي إنه this environment، أو خلينا نحكي إنه not to damage this environment، يعني ما إنهم not to destroy the rainforest. damage بمعنى destroy، a synonym for what? a synonym for destroy. بمعنى هون damage بمعنى يعطب أو يخرب the environment, and by raising money for organizations that work for the protection of the environment. Raising money, it means donating money. By donating money, raising money يعني نتبرع بالmoney أو نعطي أموال لمين؟ للorganizations، المنظمات that work for the protection of the environment، اللي بتعمل على حماية البيئة بشكل عام. So by this question we end the article which talks about a hidden word, and this hidden word is rainforests. Okay, so now inshallah we are going to talk about something else. In next video I will explain the new grammar structure, which is present perfect simple with yet, already, since, and for. So thank you so much for listening. Write down the answers in your notebook, or if you want to write it down in your book, so there is no problem for me, but please pay attention and don't make all these lessons just or let's say don't put these lessons in the shelf of your life, because you will need it soon or later. Please study well, be safe, and take care of yourself. See you inshallah in next video. I will send it after this video directly, because this only a discussion for answering the question, and you can see it on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Your exam will be on Thursday inshallah. It will be in unit 1، رح يكون بunit 1 كاملة. and in unit 1 احنا حكينا عن text comprehension، واخذنا اكثر من text comprehension وشرحناها وشرحنا الأسئلة. So please just pay attention and study well. Take care. Goodbye. Thank you so much for listening.